Hey guys, in today's video I bring you the process of modeling this basic shape. So, let's go to class. Let's start by creating a circle, center it in the scene and adjust the height according to the reference. In the top view, let's create a rectangle. Adjust the scale and hold down Shift K, rotate it to create a copy. Add the Edit Spline modifier and join the piece with the attach. Now, add the Edit Poly and the Shell modifier to give the shape thickness. Let's do the same with the circle we created. Check if both pieces are close at the edge. Let's increase the overall size a little to match the reference. Once that is done, with the Boolean modifier, let's join the piece and convert them to an editable poly. Now, add a symmetry to the X and Y axis to have the center lines of the model. Convert it again and let's delete 1/3 of the shape. Here, we will remove the loose vertices and weld the rest with target welds. Do the same on the other side. With the cut tool, let's create a new edge to the top. The same on the other side. Once that is done, add a retopology modifier. Let's leave the values low and check the two options below. With the new topology, we can convert it to an editable poly and clean up the shape by remove some edges. Let's align the vertex on the y-axis. And near the edge, creating a sliced downward curve as in the reference. Add a symmetry to the axis again, enable the flip, and we have the shape created. We convert it to an editable poly again and adjust the bottom part. Select the central edge and with Alt tool add the sliced curves. Let's do the same on the other side and then adjust the bottom vertices to match to the curve. Now, select the bottom face and align them on the Z-axis. With Insert, let's insert a border and hold down Shift K to extrude upwards, creating this gap in the piece. Select the edges of the border and add a chamfer, keeping the edge hard. Do the same on the top of the model. We adjust the position of this edge and add a modifier to smoothen the shape. To finish, let's create the feet on the bottom. Create a circle and adjust the position of the piece. Add an edit poly and the shell to give thickness. Adjusting according to the reference and apply a symmetry to mirror the shape. Let's adjust the pivot in the center. Create a copy by holding Shift and rotate the 90 degrees. Let's join the piece with attach and finally apply a chamfer to the piece. Now, with the model finished, we see that the top part is a little inward. To adjust, add the FFD modifier. Let's select the points of the top and adjust with the scale. And that's it, the model is finished. I hope you enjoyed the content. See you next time. Bye! Subscribe to the channel, it's very important.